What is up, y'all? Bang, bang, bang. How's it going, guys? Back in today. Started this vlog pretty fucking late, honestly. But yeah, so today has been a fucking long ass day, man, honestly. Like, I spent it mostly just watching videos, educating myself, and my headline's fucked up. God damn, bro. But yeah, basically this whole day I spent it just watching videos, educating myself and shit. But today's been a weird one, man. Like, I haven't felt as confident as other days. And that's what I want to talk about today. You're not always gonna feel confident, man. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Woke up today and got straight back to it. Alright. As I take out my hair. And I know I just got this done 5 days ago. But this hairstyle comes out quick as fuck, so yeah. I might as well take it out. So yeah, basically, today has been a weird day. I haven't felt as confident as other days, you know. Some days, like, you just wake up, you're dying to do the work and you just can't wait. Like, most days I'm like, oh yeah, I can't wait to wake up. And now I freaking, wake up around like 5 a.m. and then legit, as soon as I wake up, I just start doing work. Like, I don't even question it. But today was kind of weird. Today I woke up and I was like, I don't know, I just felt like kind of burnt out and just I didn't feel like doing the work as much. Don't get me wrong, I still started, but it's just like I wasn't feeling as good as every day. And that just goes to show that not every day you'll feel perfect. Like, you're not always gonna have the answers. Sometimes you might feel uncertain. When you're going down a new path, something that you've never done before, it's not that you're gonna feel certain in yourself and every day is gonna be a good day. There's going to be bad days, and the bad days will probably like outnumber the amount of good days that you have. And when you do have a bad day, like, that's what really counts, man. If you're good on those bad days, everyone can freaking wake up and do work on a good day, but can you perform on those bad days? When you wake up, you don't feel like doing shit. You're tired, you're lazy, you know, you're feeling a bit sick or whatnot. Do you still wake up and do the work, or do you just, you know, say, oh, I'm gonna do it today, I guess? That's what really fucking counts, bro. And that's where the highest performers are, the guys who work. No matter the situation, no matter what's going on, they fucking work. They know they have to do this at this time, and they fucking do it. And that's just how it is, man. That's how you become a high performer and a high achiever. You just gotta work, even when you don't feel like working, man. You're gonna feel that little bit of uncertainty. Like, for example, today, I was questioning, was my dad right? Did I really make the right decision, you know? Not wanting to go to uni? Did I make the correct decision, you know, pursuing this quote-unquote side hustle? Making it my main hustle now? And going in on it 100%? Should I just go back to freaking school and just focus on it? Go to uni, get a basic job? And it got me thinking, man. It got me really fucking thinking. It's like, but yesterday I was so certain of myself. Yesterday, the day before yesterday, I was so certain of myself. Like, I was like, there's no way, you know, everyone's wrong. I'm going to do this. This is that and the third. Like, I was going to achieve it. I felt so confident in myself. But I don't know. It's just, not every day is going to be like that, man. Not every day is sunshine and rainbows. What did that guy Andrew Tate say? There's no sunshine without rain. There's no joy without pain. That's how it is, man. In order for you to have those good days, you're always going to have the fucking bad days first. And yeah. So that's how today's been, man. But yeah. It's only like, what? 6:58. So I'm going to post on Instagram soon as I get my hair done, because this shit, bro, shrinkage is crazy. I need to comb this shit out and everything. Yeah, I'm cooked, honestly. And I've got a call at 12:30 a.m. today. Tomorrow, basically. Technically, he probably it's actually tomorrow. Shut the fuck up. But yeah, I got a call with a client. I'm doing a new strategy where I'm like, I realized, bro, if you want to actually achieve stuff, if you want to be good at what you do, you have to take a gap and just learn. Like legit, you have to learn, bro. You can't just go in head first and then just think people are gonna start paying you. Obviously, I have learned. Like I've gone through whole mentorships, months of learning, but that's not enough, bro. You gotta take at least like a whole arc. I'm talking like at least a year or something, working for people for no money. That's what I'm planning to do now. I'm gonna get clients and just legit tell them to not pay me, just for completely free, and then I'll probably just do like case studies with them, so they don't have to pay me. I could ask them to pay me and make like a couple $1,000s off them, but I don't want to, bro. I just want to go in for the experience, you know, test out different things with them, see what really sticks. And when I do go work with my big clients, I implement it for them. So yeah, I'm just take the time to learn. I got down from Alex Hormozy. I was watching a Hormozy video, and it was titled like the reason why most teenagers fail, because they just go chase the money immediately, but not really realizing that you have to learn first, man. You have to go into like One Piece. I don't know if you guys have watched One Piece, but in order for them to reach how strong they were, they had to go through a training arc. Like when they all got separated at, I can't remember what it was called again. The place of the floating trees, Majiggy, yeah. Whatever it's called. When they got separated, they all went to their training arc, and then they came back, and then they started fighting. Before, they couldn't beat the big robots, the P90s. Is that what they're called? P90s or something like that, yeah. First, they couldn't beat them. Then they went for their training arc, came back, everyone was training. Damn near like a year of training. And then when they came back, bro, they were much better. They defeated the robots with ease. And that's how it is now, man. Like right now, I can't take on those big clients. Well, I can, but it's just like so much harder. But if I go on a training arc, like I train for, let's say, a couple months, a year, when I come back, it's gonna be ease, bro. I can do it in my sleep. I can do it with ease, just like that. That's what you guys have to do too, bro. Just take a massive break and just learn. You have to go through a fucking learning arc, bro. Learning arc. Just keep that in your head. Learning arc. Learn. You gotta learn before you earn, or else all your clients are going to churn. Oh, tough. Title of the video. Learn before you earn, or your clients will churn. But yeah, pretty much today's been a slow day. I've legit haven't gone anywhere as regular since I have no social life. I have no social life. I talk to the camera all day. I'm actually a fucking loser, bro. Damn. Oh yeah. And while gone, mom. Turns out my mom watches my videos. So how's it going? Yeah, pretty much, man. You guys remember that not every day you're not gonna feel certain about what you want to achieve every day. And that's how it is, man. So don't just quit because you don't feel certain about what you're planning on doing. Yeah, pretty much. I'll see y'all boys tomorrow. Today was a short one. I'll just edit it real quick, chop it up, and then chuck it in. I'll see y'all boys tomorrow. Or I might continue later on when I hop on a call with a client. I might even whip out the camera type shit. Let you guys hear a bit of my call. Unreleased source type shit. But yeah, see you guys later. I'ma fuck with y'all boys, and don't forget. Let me see how long this is actually going for. 9 minutes. That's good enough. Y'all boys don't forget. The grind don't stop until the motherfucking casket drops. Like and subscribe. Sigma Gritty Among Us. You're not gonna feel confident every day. You just gotta pray. Grind until the casket drop. Mm.